Marcy. I'm the Adult Engagement and Program Manager here at the Indiana State Museum and Historic Sites. And today I'm coming to you from the Celebration Crossing exhibit here at the Indiana State Museum. During this crazy year, we're trying to make sure we're offering a mix of in-person and virtual experiences for our adult audiences. In a normal year, we probably celebrate this exhibit by having a large after-hours event full of dancing and holiday spirits. But until we can gather again safely in large groups, I'm going to show you how to make some holiday cheer of your own at home. And thank you so much to our friends at the Coca-Cola Bottling Company of Indianapolis for helping us out with some of our supplies here today. So today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer nose cocktail. So we're going to start off, I have some ice I'm going to put in my cocktail shaker. And then we're going to start off by adding 2 ounces of bourbon. So I got my measurements right here. 1, 2. Alrighty, and then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of cherry juice into this. And just pour it right into your shaker. And then after that, about half a tablespoon of grenadine. All right, and before we go any further, we're gonna shake it up. And I do have a nice little strainer in here too, though. It's gonna come in handy for us. Alrighty, when that is all good to go, you're going to go ahead and put it in your glass. And then we're going to add about 8 ounces of Coke. Perfect. And then to top it off, you have to add a few maraschino cherries in here. I like to add a lot of them. And enjoy!